This is CGTN, China Global Television Network.
Now in Tunisia, 130,000 people had received COVID-19 vaccines by the 30th day of the country's national inoculation drive. That's according to the Ministry of Health. However, health authorities say the pandemic situation remains serious in Tunisia. Adnan Chouachi has more.
The Ministry of Health has increased the number of vaccination centers to ensure smooth functioning of the vaccine campaign throughout the country. The Regional Director of Public Health in Tunis says people who are most at risk from COVID-19 are being vaccinated first, including frontline healthcare workers and people aged 70 and older, as well as patients with chronic illnesses.
The number of online registrations for vaccination against COVID-19 has exceeded 1 million people. This is a positive and encouraging indicator. Tunisian citizens have finally understood that all the vaccines we are using are safe and effective. Some fake news on Facebook and social media fueled panic among seniors, but now the vaccination campaign is at a normal pace.
Tunisia has launched a national campaign to boost COVID-19 vaccine acceptance. Hafsi Al-Abidi is a 75-year-old citizen who decided to get vaccinated after several weeks of hesitancy.
Many Tunisians are afraid of the virus, but they refuse to get vaccinated. This is irresponsible behavior. The health ministry and the government want to save lives. The vaccination campaign is the only solution to resume a normal life, meet our friends and gather with family members.
According to the National Observatory for New and Emerging Diseases, the health situation is critical. This is due to a surge in coronavirus infections cases exceeding 30%, as well as an increase in the death toll, particularly with the emergence of new variants.
I live with many chronic illnesses. I know some people who died of COVID-19. I did not want to get vaccinated, but my doctor and my children have convinced me. We cannot overcome this dangerous health situation without vaccination.
The National Authority for the Fight Against Coronavirus has extended nighttime curfew hours. The period of mandatory self-quarantine imposed on travelers entering Tunisia has been extended from 48 hours to 5 days. In addition, the government banned all public and private gatherings and demonstrations. Finally, all weekly markets will be closed for the next 3 weeks. The health department has warned against mounting pressure on hospitals, with hospitalization rate reaching 100% in some regions of the country. The Ministry of Health has urged people to wear face masks and respect social distancing in all public areas. Adnan Chouachi, CGTN, Tunis.